Hi everyone. Hyundai has revealed the Prophecy concept, an electric, autonomous vehicle that expresses the design DNA evolution of the brand towards clean lines and minimalism. The Prophecy concept further evolves and expresses Hyundai's latest design philosophy, sensuous sportiness, following in the direction set by last year's 45 concept, which marked the use of clean lines and minimalistic structures in place of complex surface treatments. The exterior of the Prophecy concept is characterized by a distinctive, flowing silhouette which defines volumes conceived for maximum aerodynamic. The freedom allowed by the EV architecture along with the extended wheelbase enabled Hyundai designers to create harmonious proportions, in pursuit of the ultimate automotive form. We have brought to life yet another icon that establishes a new standard for the EV segment as well as pushing Hyundai's design vision to even broader horizons, said Sang-Yup Lee, head of Hyundai Global Design Center. The application of the sensuous sportiness design philosophy is evident in the side section, which reminds of a perfectly weathered stone. It is cut by a clean and simple one-curve streamline which extends from front to rear with minimalist restraint that gives the body a timelessness quality. The dynamic and elegant boat tail line created by the rear quarter panels appear to propel the form forward even when it is standing still. The propeller shapes embedded in the vehicle's wheel compel air to be drawn in and flow down the side of the body, like water over a stone. At the rear, the spoiler is made of transparent acrylic material which provides a clear view of the functional components inside. The same material is used for the headlamp and in the camera monitoring system, CMS. The pixel lamp lights, which were first seen on the 45, take a step forward. This progressive lighting technology is integrated into the headlamp, tail lamp and spoiler, calling to mind the energy contained in the vehicle's battery cells. Prophecy's identity as an EV extends to the underbody. A wide air intake that is installed below the bumper takes fresh air to cool the batteries more effectively, delivering an even more eco-friendly EV to customers. The interior of Prophecy underlines the advantages of using the stretched cabin of an EV platform. The cabin offers passengers a refined, comfortable space. Prophecy is equipped with autonomous driving technology. Instead of a steering wheel, joysticks provide a completely new yet reassuringly familiar and intuitive driving experience. By offering two joysticks that can pivot left and right, one in the center console and another on the door trim, drivers are able to control the vehicle from a position of comfort. Furthermore, drivers have access to a wide variety of functions, which can be selected via the joystick's integrated buttons. Design changes that have been enabled by the use of joysticks offer more visual freedom to passengers. In relax mode, passengers have virtually zero visual obstacles. In a comfortably reclined position, all that the passengers see is the horizontal pillar-to-pill display and the wing-shaped dashboard. In this mode, the dashboard swivels, allowing for a spacious interior and seat position from which passengers are able to enjoy content shown on the display. External intakes placed at the bottom of the side doors allow air to circulate through clean air technology, providing a steady stream of purified air inside the vehicle. In addition, the treated air is circulated back out into the atmosphere as clean air. The name, Prophecy, reflects the concept's purpose, which is to set the direction for the future of Hyundai's design and mobility solutions. Thanks for watching.